Welcome to Shradha's FabLab. Today I will show you to make a strawberry with this tiny little egg. For that we need a small little egg, a fevicol and a black paint and red color and a brown paint, of course, and 2 brushes and some, of course, water to mix. And also there is a stem of mint leaf. Now I'm going to color this egg with red color. Now I have painted the egg full of red paint. See? Full of red paint. Now I'm going to keep this egg outside for drying. Meanwhile, I'm going to draw a sand in this white sheet of paper. Almost finished. Now I'm going to show you guys the picture. See, I have done the sand all by myself. Our strawberries all dried. Now I'm going to put some dots to show the strawberry seeds, small seeds. See, I already did some 2 dots already. Now I'll put some more dots. I have finished painting the strawberry. Now I'm going to show you. See, it's already done. Does it look like a strawberry? Now I just spread some gum. Now I'm going to stick this plant here. Now I'm going to show you my plant. See, it's done. Now I'm going to just put the strawberry here. Now I'm going to stick the strawberry into this white sheet of paper. Hope you like my strawberry with the egg. See?